On today's episode of the Filipino-Canadian Cooking Channel, we will be making Tostitos taco salad. The ingredients for this recipe are romaine lettuce, red bell pepper, corn kernels, cucumber, tortilla chips, your choice of salad dressing, olive oil, garlic powder, and chili powder. We start this recipe by chopping our lettuce into bite-sized pieces. We then set it aside. Next, we will slice our bell pepper into smaller pieces. Be sure to remove the core and seeds of our bell pepper. After slicing, we set the bell pepper aside. Next step is to slice our cucumber into thin slices. We then set aside our sliced cucumber. Next, we will cook our corn kernels. For this, we start by heating our pan with olive oil. Once the oil is hot enough, we add our corn kernels and mix them around the pan. We then cover our pan and let the corn kernels cook for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, we mix our corn kernels around. Make sure that the corn kernels are cooked evenly. We then add our chili powder, and followed by garlic powder into the corn kernel, and we make sure to mix the corn kernels thoroughly. Finally, it's time to assemble our salad. We start by placing some lettuce onto our serving plate. We then add some bell pepper, and sliced cucumber on top of the lettuce. We then add a few tablespoons of corn kernel onto our salad. Next, we put some tortilla chips onto our salad for some added crunch. Last but not the least, drizzle the salad with your choice of dressing. And there you have it, our homemade Tostitos taco salad. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the thumbs up icon and subscribe to my channel. What other ingredients do you prefer in your salad? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching.